Hello, my name is Dave and I'm with Mitsubishi Electric Automation, and today I'm going to be showing you the function of the Mitsubishi G54.4. It allows you to compensate for an instant where there might be a burr or a chip underneath a part when it's been loaded by a robot during machine tending. It allows you to compensate for that by probing the part and capturing any error into the selected work setting error correction offset. How we can achieve this is by selecting our machine condition function setup page. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide the work setting error measure work zero position, the starting position for the probing. We're going to select the work offset that we're going to use, in this case G58. We're going to select define the shape of the part. In this case, we're using a 50.8 millimeter cube, which is going to be defined by X, Y, and Z width. We're also selecting our work error instant offset number 7. Our tool offset for the probe is offset number 20. We're using a standard 6 millimeter stylus ball diameter, a standard 100 millimeter length stylus, and we've decided to use 3 millimeters as our sensor over travel. In case a part does not reach the probe, the machine will go into error. Now that we've defined our shape, now what we're going to do is we're going to search up our work error measure macro. We can do this by selecting the search function, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to our work error measure program. I'm going to hit input, and now the work error measure macro is active. Now that we've done that, we can now come back to our setup page, and we can put our machine into auto. And once we've done that, we can go ahead and hit our start measure. Now that I've hit start measure, the control is ready. This is indicated by the EM that is flashing in the upper left-hand corner. Now that we have our probe set up, we've manually positioned the probe to the starting position as indicated in our last video. Now we're going to probe the part and try to get the error captured You'll notice that the probe is going to probe 5 sides of the part and basically establish planes on each individual side. Based on these planes, we can find out any skew that might be on the part as a result of a burr or a chip. Since the part has been defined, the probe knows exactly how far it can be positioned, therefore avoiding any conflict that might happen between the probe stylus and the part itself. Now that we've probed the part, next I'm going to select the right error soft key. It's going to ask me if it wants me to write the measurement results, and I'm going to select yes. If you notice now, we have captured any error that was introduced by a burr or a chip from the machine tending process. We've captured that error into our G54.4 P7 offset, and now we can use these error values in our machining program to compensate for the error that was introduced by that scenario. Thank you.